Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Mistfall Hunter game not launching, won't launch issue or launching failed problem on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes very carefully. Now the first fix is to restart Steam or restart your PC. So click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam and then relaunch Steam and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to modify the game launch options. You can try -dx12 or -d3d12. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Mistfall Hunter game, click on properties. Now in the launch options, first type -dx12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties. This time type -d3d12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the game properties, remove the launch options, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3 is to run the game from game installation folder, run the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Mistfall Hunter game, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Now first double click this Mistfall Hunter exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select run as administrator and then try to launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then open the Mistfall Hunter binaries win64. Now here we'll see Mistfall Hunter win64 shipping exe file. Now first double click it and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties. Then go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder and check. If that also doesn't work, then also check mark run this program in compatibility mode 4. From the drop down select Windows 8, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down select Windows 7, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then also check mark disable full screen optimization option, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes. Just uncheck all these 3 boxes, hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 4 is to update your graphic card driver. NVIDIA users can update their graphic card driver via NVIDIA app. AMD users can update their graphic card driver via AMD Adrenal software. So NVIDIA users in Windows search, type NVIDIA app and then open the NVIDIA app. Then go to the driver sections and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then you will see the download button. So click on download and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. Don't forget to restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now AMD users, open the AMD Adrenal software and look for the graphic card driver update. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And then again, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 5, Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Click on add an allowed app, browse all apps, and then browse to the game installation folder. So browse to C drive, program files, x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder. Open the Mistfall Hunter game folder. Select this Mistfall Hunter exe file and then click on open, and then click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. Open the Mistfall Hunter folder, binaries folder, win64 folder. Select this Mistfall Hunter win64 shipping exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. After adding it, go back. Now click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings. Click on allow another app. Click on browse and then again browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files, x86 folder, Steam folder, Steam apps folder, common folder. Open the Mistfall Hunter game folder. Select this exe file, click on open and then click on add. In my case, it is already added. Again click on browse, open this folder, binaries folder, win64 folder. Select this exe file and then click on open and then click on add. In my case, it is already added. Here it is. And after adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark and then click on OK to save changes, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you're using any third-party antivirus software such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, Avicii, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, EST, then you have to allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program and then check, and later you can turn on your antivirus program after playing the game. Fix 6. Verify the game files. Open Steam, go to library, right click on Mistfall Hunter game, click on properties, go to install files tab, and then click on verify integrity of demo files or game files. And after the 100% verification of the file has been done, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 7. Run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open the graphic settings. Then click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Mistfall Hunter game folder, open the Mistfall Hunter folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, select Mistfall Hunter Win64 shipping exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it in the list. Here it is, expand it, and next to GPU preference, select high performance. And after selecting high performance, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 8. Set high performance in NVIDIA Control Panel app. So in Windows search, type NVIDIA Control Panel and then open the NVIDIA Control Panel. Now go to manage 3D settings, then click on program settings, then click on add. From the list over here, look for Mistfall Hunter, here it is, select it and then click on add selected programs. Now if you don't see the Mistfall Hunter in the list over here, then click on browse and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Mistfall Hunter game folder, open the Mistfall Hunter folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, select Mistfall Hunter Win64 shipping exe file and then click on open. And after adding it to the list, now here from the drop down, select the high performance NVIDIA processor and then click on apply. Don't forget to hit on apply to save the changes, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to disable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open the graphic settings, and here you will see advanced graphic settings, and here you will see hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. If it is turned on, then turn it off, and then you have to restart your PC. So simply restart your PC, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is already turned off, then turn it on and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is provided in my video description, and once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version, and if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to rename or delete the Mistfall Hunter saved game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the saved game progress and saved settings. You have to start everything from the scratch. So if you want, then you can keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to rename or delete the Mistfall Hunter saved game folder. So open File Explorer, go to C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. Now if you don't see app data folder over here, then click on this view. So check mark hidden items, then open the app data folder, then open the local folder, and here look for the Mistfall Hunter folder. Here it is. You can see the saved game folder. So right click on Mistfall Hunter folder and then first copy it and then go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this folder. After keeping the backup, right click on it. Now you can either rename it or delete it. If you want to rename it, then click on rename and then you can rename it to .old, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you can right click on it and then select delete to delete it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 12 is to disable Steam overlay. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Mistfall Hunter game, select properties, and in the general tab you will see enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just toggle it off and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game properties, toggle it on and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 13 is to set graphic settings to medium low if able to launch the game. Now if you're able to launch the game, then you can follow these steps, or else you can skip these steps. So open Steam, click on play button to launch the game, and once you're on this menu screen, click on settings, go to the video tab. Now you can set the frame rate to 60 fps or 120 fps, and here under the graphics quality you will see overall quality preset. If it is set to high, then you can select to moderate or low. This is a medium and this is a low, so you can select moderate or low. Scroll down you can select DLSS mode to quality. Now you can see over here, shadow quality moderate, view distance moderate. If it is set to high, then you have to select moderate or low. And then after applying the changes, then you can click on play button and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 14 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them, and then just restart your PC. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Mistfall Hunter game from your PC, then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Mistfall Hunter game not launching or won't launch problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.